Rick Steves. It's lunchtime and I'm in the market. And you know, the supermarkets really had a challenge for the traditional markets in France. So what they did was they made them more efficient. And they put parking upstairs. And now the markets are handy as the supermarkets. And this is a place you can come for your nice fresh fish. That looks pretty nice. There you go. And the great thing about the markets is, and this is a really good tip, whenever you go to a market, you will find great little spots to eat, designed really for locals. For instance, right here is a place called La Cabane d'Orléans. And here you can get a little collection of seafood and have it with a glass of wine. Oh, and that would be very nice. You can see the local people buying all their soft meats. The butcher. And of course, the French love their special parts. And fresh bakery. A fresh bakery where you get your baked delights, and this is called a traiteur. A traiteur is where they fix up rotisserie deli kind of plates to go for people that, you know, they want to entertain but they don't want to cook. So you got some beautiful plates like this, and I like the idea of having oh my goodness, there's things to taste everywhere. But I like the idea of going to one of these fresh seafood places, putting it together, grabbing a glass of wine. Here for about $11 you can get a nice little display, an assiette. Sit down with a $2 glass of wine and enjoy some fresh seafood in the market, just about anywhere in southern France. We happen to be in Avignon. Happy travels.